guys, look, a slip and slide.
Okay. Okay, hurry up and consume it so we could do
Guys, it ruined my slime!
Oh, no, it didn't. No, it didn't.
She stole my slime,
Let me
guys.
see this.
She stole my slime. If you can clearly see that she stole my slime.
No, I didn't. I'm helping you. Then why aren't you getting it back, huh? Huh?
Give me it.
Okay. Okay, that's your slime. Okay, cover your eyes. I'm gonna turn around. I'm gonna put a slime here, so you have to contend what it is. Okay, turn around.
Okay, I'm turning around.
Okay, turn around.
I'm closing my eyes.
Okay, close your eyes.
It doesn't
Okay.
look like I'm closing my eyes, but I can.
So I'm gonna put this slime on Christopher. So let me.
Is it a monster?
No. Not
It's wet.
Yeah, I know it is. Okay,
Am I
I'm gonna
playing
put
with
it.
slime?
Wait. Need to rub it to make it not look like it's other slime. No, it's my slime. Okay, ready? Take your hands off. Okay, ready? Take your hands off.
What?
Ready?
I'm sorry.
I was gonna.
I'm sorry. I just felt like you're gonna take out my slime.
Okay, go. Close your eyes. We're gonna put.
Don't mix it.
I'm not. I promise. I hate
I
mixing
really
slime.
love my red blossom.
We're gonna put this slime. Okay, we're gonna put this slime. Are you ready?
No. Okay, yeah.
Okay, ready? Let me mix on the table.
I can see you. I can see your hand, but not the slime.
Oh, you can see me!
I can't see the slime.
Okay, ready? Wait.
I can't see the slime.
Let me do some texture to the slime.
It looks like you're playing to like a random.
What slime does it look like?
A regular?
Okay, ready? Touch it.
Play with it. I'm not gonna look. Big. Is it your purple one?
What's your final thoughts?
Your purple one because yours was big.
Look at it. That's yours.
Oh.
Okay, now your turn to put any slime. Okay, put any slime. Make sure you don't mix them up. Oh, I want to switch sides
Why?
so I can see through the thing.
Okay. You don't know what slime, huh?
Yeah, because I can't even see the color.
Okay.
Don't mix my beautiful slime.
Why is this so sticky? I don't know.
Okay, you're gonna get my
Message, guys.